Right, this is a set theory question which you probably haven't seen in other exam papers, but it's still a valid one. It's important to apply the correct logic here. You see 10 people play hockey only, 9 people play football only, 13 play tennis only, 6 play hockey and football but not tennis, 7 play hockey and tennis, 8 play football and tennis. And so we need to fill in this form. Now, they've given it to you the easy way. If they'd said 10 people play hockey, then that would mean that 10 people are in the whole of the circle of hockey, including all the overlaps. But they'd say 10 play hockey only, 9 play football only. So that's making it easier for you. So we can fill in those numbers right away. We know that 9 play football only and 13 play tennis only. We also know that 6 play hockey and football, but not tennis. So that would go here. And I think we need to be careful about what these last two mean. When it says 7 play hockey and tennis, it's not clear whether that means hockey and tennis, but not football. It also says that 8 play football and tennis. So I would assume when it says 8 play football and tennis, that's the overlap between football and tennis, rather than the football and tennis, but not hockey. Let me make it clear what I'm talking about here. Looking at this line, if 8 people play football and tennis, that should cover all of the overlap between football and tennis. That includes the ones that play hockey too. So I think the total of this area should be 8, which means that this is going to be 8 minus x. I'm not sure that they've made that entirely clear in the question, because they've just said football and tennis rather than football and tennis, but not hockey. But I think we need to assume that. That's the problem. If they say 8 play football and tennis, they mean 8 play football and tennis, regardless of whether or not they play hockey. So we're going to apply the same logic to this statement. 7 play hockey and tennis, and that means the overlap between hockey and tennis, regardless of whether or not they play football as well. So that means that this should be 7 minus x. So if we're looking for the number of students who play hockey and tennis, but not football, then I hope you can see where that area is, and I believe that that's 7 minus x. And that makes sense, because if they said 7 people play hockey and tennis, and they meant hockey and tennis but not football, the answer would just be 7. So the fact that they've said hockey and tennis but they haven't mentioned football means that you have to assume that it's just the overlap between hockey and tennis, and that would apply for the same type of question if it came up again. There are 50 students in the group. Find the value of x. Well, we've now got all the different possible categories. We've got the people who play just hockey, the people who play just tennis, the people who play just football, the people who play 2 sports but not the other one, and the people who play all 3. So we've covered every different type. So if we just add all those values and make it equal to 50, we can find out what x is. So it's going to be 10 plus 7 minus x, I'm reading left to right for the numbers, plus 13 plus x plus 6 plus 8 minus x plus 9 is equal to 50. And if we add those numbers together, we get 10, 17, 30, 36, 44, 53. And if we add together the x's, we get minus x plus x minus x, which adds together to make minus x. So clearly x is 3.